Looks like today is another great day to draw. And today is a giraffe. This was a request by a girl from California, and she is 11 years old. So I hope you like it. Okay, we're gonna start off at the top. And we are gonna start off with a soft rectangle. When I mean soft, that means all the edges. It's kind of like a giant marshmallow. It's soft. I call it soft. And then we're gonna put another one inside. This is where its muzzling mouth is gonna be. I've got some great fun facts today I'm really excited about. I've learned lots of things about giraffes today. Also, my mama is obsessed with giraffes too. She even has a giraffe statue in her house, and the giraffe's name is June, and she decorates it for the holidays. Okay, we're gonna put some nostril holes. So you see these guys right here? So we're just gonna put little side nostrils, erase inside there. And put some nostrils in there. It's almost looking like I would say a hippopotamus right now, but that is not a hippo. All right, so we are going to be putting that smile in so it doesn't look like a hippo. You're gonna break this off and we're gonna put a side smile in. Oh, he's so happy right now. Okay, so you're gonna make that not end all the way. There we go. And we're gonna put some teeth in there. All right, let's put some eyes. So you're gonna do one egg shape, two egg shape, and we're gonna have them looking at the leaves over there. Delicious lunch. That's why they're so tall. They're able to reach all those plants. I gave this one kind of a wink, like he's winking. You don't have to, but I thought it was cute. All right, and up here at the top. All right, here's a fun fact I learned. I always wondered what is on their head. People are saying, are they antlers? Are they horns? What do we have up here? Well, they haven't fully said what they are, but they're furry at the top. And when they're born cartilage, so they're soft. And as they get older, they turn into bone. So they've looked all on this earth. Oh, right here, that's just a little hair at the top. There's only one other animal that's still alive, that's not extinct, that has that, and that is called a Okapi. So they both have the same thing, but nobody else has that, just them. That's how special they are. So that's his other ear. And then you want to erase in here to make it sure that it's connected. All right, it's connected, yay! Now we're just gonna do his neck. So we want it coming out kind of like the middle of that. Bring it down. We're gonna come almost where this ends and bring it down. Now it's your choice on how long you want the neck. I made mine that long. And then we're gonna make it go into the body. All right, so now we have that. And on the back, we're gonna have that mane coming out the back end. It's gonna taper out, and then you can put lines in there representing the hair. Oh, we forgot eyebrows. It's looking like he's a little shaved. Here you go, buddy. Looking complete there. And we're gonna make some leaves come in here. So you guys can make some if you want. I just thought the paper looked a little too barren. And that's what they do. So you can make, and I'm making floating leaves. I know leaves do not float, but I'm an artist and you can draw what you want. So my leaves are floating. I'm gonna make some leaves coming off this side. You can make the trees go all the way to the top if you want. All right, now we're gonna give it some spots. So if you go look at a giraffe, it's like their thumbprint. Every giraffe is unique and they're all different. So your spots can definitely look different than my spots. But I'm kind of like making them, they're wompy, kind of squares, circles. Also, when I was trying to do research on what those things were, oh, I forgot, these have a name. Okay, what's the name of these on top? They're called Ossicones. I know in dancing there's Ossicones, but this is Ossicone, Ossicones. That's the scientific name for it. All right, now we gotta let's do the bottom of his tummy. So bring that around. You can make it smoother if you want. And now we are going to put his legs in. So we have one leg. You want it to go all the way down to the bottom of your paper because they have long legs too. And then we're gonna put the one behind it and erase in here because we want it to look like it's only the front one. It's connected and you can put an extra line in there. But that's going underneath and that's on top. So let's do two of them here. Fantastic. Great job, guys. Erase in here. Now, if your giraffe doesn't look perfect, that's okay. I like them to all look different and it takes practice. So you might have to draw your giraffe a few times to get it just the way you want it. And look at the butt of my giraffe. Me no likey that, so I'm gonna connect this. All right, that is definitely looking better. And then I'm gonna connect the tail. Oh, better. Okay, I am liking it, ready to Sharpie. And fun facts. Ooh, we got jokes. What do you get when you cross a giraffe with a hedgehog? A 12-foot toothbrush. I actually thought that was really funny. Nope. I gave my giraffe really big ears. I don't think the ears are that big, but that's okay. Now we know you can tell your parents at home, Mom, I know what these things are called up there. Those are called an ossicone. And when they're born, they're cartilage and they turn into bone as they get older. They're gonna be like, wow, you are so smart. Or you're an adult doing this and you can tell your kids that because that's my favorite thing to do at the dinner table is tell them all the fun facts I've learned for the day. I think it drives them a little crazy, but isn't that our job? Drive them all a little bit crazy. And who doesn't want to learn new stuff every day? All right, what other fun fact do we have today? Ooh, man, that guy needs braces. Giraffe's heart. Can you guys guess how? So a human heart, it's almost like the size of like your thumb. You can put that right up to your chest. That's ours. But a giraffe's heart, it is much bigger and it weighs 25 pounds. That's actually a lot of weight. So he's got a pretty big pumping heart. And they're pretty fast runners too. That's probably why they need that big heart to pump all that blood through their system. What else did we learn about today? Oh, about running. Giraffes can start running only a few hours after birth. So they are born, a few hours later, they are running with their mamas. That is impressive. I knew I loved giraffes. I mean, they are beautiful. I don't know if you guys have ever been to a zoo and been able to get close to one. At our zoo by our house, you can feed the giraffes and they nibble it right out from your hand. It is so fun to watch. Cruising along here. you want to give it a shadow, you can. Sometimes I like to give shadows so they're not floating in the air, but we already have floating leaves. So now we have a giant floating giraffe. And as you come down, you want to make your spots a little less. So you can make them all the way down a little less. I've seen spots go all the way down, stop, some on the face. So it's your choice where you would like those spots. Let's see what else we learned. Oh, giraffes, yeah, are social and they like to hang out in groups. So when I do see them at the zoo, they are with their buddies. So I shouldn't be surprised about that one. Whoa, paper's getting away from me. All right, we are getting somewhat close. Well, what we're gonna end up doing, I'm gonna Sharpie the outside of our giraffe. Oh, I didn't do it on that one. Man, I'm gonna have to do that. Thinks it makes it pop. So what you do is you just go around the outside. Maybe not so thick, but oh well. It's coming along. Okay, any other fun facts? Let's see. Giraffes are as tall as a 2-story house. Well, we all knew that they were tall. That is a really tall animal. Another thing I learned, which I thought was cool, giraffes were always not this tall. So over the millions of years, they evolved, and the longer that time came by, the longer their neck. Now, why do you think they need this long? What's so good about that long neck? Can you guys think what they would use? What would they use that long neck for? Yep, you got it. They used it to get all those plants, so they can get all those leaves off the plants that not other animals can get. So they can get all those high branches and those leaves top. That's perfect. Now, what else do they use other than their necks to get those leaves? You're right. The tongue. Here you go. Erase any pencil lines you do not like. You don't want to see any pencil lines. So go through and erase your pencil. Oh man, I am crumpling my paper. If your paper gets too crumply, you can always put it between 2 heavy books for a week, and it helps flatten that back out. But it'd be even better if you didn't have to do that. Now I'm going to cover the whole thing with yellow, other than the mouth and the eyes part. So I'm just going to go one direction and just color the whole thing, and then I'm going to come back in and put some brown details in. So we said that when it's reaching, it uses its neck for height. It also uses its tongue. Can you guys guess how long that tongue is? Just take a guess. I'm gonna give you guys 3 choices. A, 10 inches long. B, 15 inches long. Or C, 20 inches long. So if you guys go find like a ruler, one ruler is 12 inches. So that gives you an idea. Did you guys make your guess? The answer is C, 20 inches long. That's almost 2 feet. That is long. Now we're gonna go around the outside, make the outside darker by the Sharpie. Hopefully your giraffe is turning out, especially to that girl that is 11 from California. I did not get her name. I'm sure she's a lovely girl. Okay, we're ready for, oh, I forgot skin color in here. Do I have skin color? Yes. So that's gonna be right in here. We're gonna do that and get our paint out. So you're gonna use the skin color right inside here. Oh, you know what we forgot? Right inside the eye. I'm sure you guys got that. I did not. Color that in. So now we're gonna go skin color. Just do medium hard when you're pushing down because we'll go on the outside of it. So now we're gonna go hard around the outside. Any more jokes? Giraffes can run, what do you think? Fast. 30 miles an hour. That's pretty fast. Now we're gonna give it a little bit of cheeks. And now get the brown out. And we're gonna do its main brown. Giraffes can, whoa, okay. Cover your ears. If you're a little kid, you might not wanna hear this, but it's part of nature. Giraffes can shatter a lion's skull with one kick. So I'm assuming lions like to eat giraffes, but if they can get the right angle, they can protect themselves. So these little hoofs down there, that's pretty strong. That's probably not a fun fact you share at the dinner table. Or maybe. I probably will, because it sounds like something I would do. I'm gonna go around the outside here. Oh, get the eyebrows. Eyebrows brown. I'm just gonna go a little on the outside here. And we're gonna come in here. So the back leg looks like it has a shadow on it. Front leg shadow. And we're gonna do all the spots. Did I miss anything? I think I got everything. Yeah. Oh wait, did I tell you? Yes, I did. About the giraffes, their necks used to not be that long. But over millions of years, they got longer and longer and longer with generation and generation. So his great-great-great-great-grandpa neck was not as long. That's interesting. He's like, look, Grandpa, my neck has grown. He'd be like, I'm so proud of you, son. You did a good job. Even though it's genetics, you can't do anything about that. We are moving along. If you guys want to get a little fancier like I did, go around your Sharpie right here. Do you see how you go around it? It just makes it pop. Perfect. Great job. And his tail, we're gonna color that brown too. Finish off its spots. And green. So what I like to do with the leaves, I do it harder, I press down harder on one side and I lighten it up on the end. I just think it gives it a great look. Thank you for watching my video today. Hope you guys can enjoy some other of my videos and hope you have a super fantastic day. Oops. See you guys later. Bye. Peace out.